Let us move on to the 76th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 forenoon session. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The alternatives are wallet is to cash implies jar is to what? You can figure out the logic here. If you have figured it out already, I'll give you the options, you can solve it. The options are option A glass, option B pickle, option C cylinder, option D tight. What's the logic here? The logic, I am going to reveal the logic now and the answer now. Initially I will reveal the answer because you guys can try to reveal the logic at least if you don't know the answer. The answer is option B pickle. Why pickle is the answer? When getting the relation between wallet and purse, you can place cash inside a wallet. What can you place inside a jar is the question. Obviously, you can't place glass inside a jar because the jar may be of material glass, but you can't place a glass. Jar may be in a cylindrical shape, but you can't place. The question is what we can place. That is the question there. You have to make the question to get the answer. And obviously, the only option which can be placed inside a jar is pickle. So the answer option is option B, pickle. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 72 of SSC JEE. Which of the following words follows the trend of the given list? Visual, average, savor, salvage, saliva. Five words are given there, and you have to find out the sixth word which is going to come, and the options are option A drive, option B revive, option C 11, option D envelope. Can you guys figure out the logic? We have already seen many questions before, and with that you can obviously solve this one also. If you, before looking at the options, look at the series carefully. If you are trying to figure out the meaning, obviously you are not going to get the answer because that is a wrong logic, and the logic here is the letter alphabet V moves to one right position when each and every word is moving. For visual it is in the first place, for average it is in the second place, for savor it is in the third place, for salvage V is in fourth place, for saliva it is in fifth place, and you have to select the answer option in such a way which has V in the sixth place. Look at all answer options. Every option has V in it, but check which option has V in sixth place in it. So the answer option is option B, revive. V has been in the sixth place there. Let's move on to the 78th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 1 March 2017 afternoon session. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Run, anon, clasp, rotted is the series. Options are confuses, accolade, revamp, scoured. And this is again a very simple logic. For this, you have to try to figure out the number of letters. That's the logic here. For each and every word increasing, the number of letters in that word is also increasing. The first word run has 3 alphabets, and after anon has 4, clasp has 5, rotted has 6. You have to find the answer option in such a way it has 7 number of alphabets, and the only option which has 7 number of alphabets is option D, scoured. Guys, you really don't need to know the meaning for solving this question. You just need to think logically. Logical thinking matters in this type of question. Let us move on to the 79th question. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. I'll read out the logic before clearing of the logic. I'll read out the series now. Super, erratic, icebox, oxen, and dash is the question here. Answer options are lollipop, popcorn, papyrus, and envelope. This question, note down this type of question. This question is being repeating from first. It is repeating from first. This logic, you must not forget this logic. If you don't know any of the question in SSC JEE paper also, this logic is definitely coming in each and every paper, repeating up to 2 to 3 questions in each paper. The logic is last 2 letters of first word is equal to first 2 letters of next word. This thing is been repeating from first. Note down this thing. This is the logic for most of the questions. Sometimes it will come like 3 letters and 3 letters, and this is the logic for this question also. Super is ending with ER, next erratic is starting with ER. So like that, the final word oxen is ending with EN, and you must check the answer option in such a way which has EN in the first. So envelope only has EN in the first. Let's move on to the 80th question, 80 of SSC JEE. This question is asked in the year 1/3/2017 afternoon session. Let me read the question first. Select the odd word or letters or number from the given alternatives. Option A, busted. Option B, blasted. Option C, disaster. Option D, cast. This question, you might have already seen this question, but this question has same logic, but the words in this question are different. You have to find the odd word here. For finding odd word, especially in this question, you don't have to know the meaning. You just have to figure out the logic. And while I am writing itself, most of you guys might have figured out the logic here. The logic here is can you guys understand? Each and every word here has AST in it, but the first word busted alone has UST in it. So this is the odd word. This is the answer option, obviously. So the answer for 80th question is option A. Okay, students, let's move on to the 81st question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 1 March 2017 afternoon batch. Select the odd words or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. This is the question asked here. Let me read out the options now. Wood and chair. Option B, cotton and pillow. Option C, cotton and wool. Option D, fur and pillow. And when you look out these options carefully, this logic is very easy. Actually, it's not a logic. It's generally the type of material it is made of is the clue here. If you check each and every option except option A is made up of a soft material, except wood and chair alone is made up of a hard material. So cotton pillow obviously is a soft material, cotton wool is a soft material, fur and pillow is also soft material, but wood and chair is a hard material. So this is the answer option, option A. Let's move on to the 82nd question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in the year 1 March 17 afternoon batch. Select the odd word or letter or number or word pair or number pair from the given options. Let me read out the options first. Option A, socks and shoes. Option B, bow and tie. Option C, vest and shirt. Option D, shirt and coat. These are the options, and this is also a Generally, you must have a general knowledge to solve this question. Just general things. If you know general things, you can solve it easily. And I'll explain the options and say the answer. If you go to option A, socks and shoes. Socks and shoes are a pair. If you wear a socks, you are obviously going to wear a shoe. And in the option 3 also, if you wear a vest, and you are obviously going to wear a coat. Here in options 4th option also, if you wear a coat, we know that you are going to wear a shirt. And consider the option B here. Option B. Bow and tie. Most people, obviously, all of you know what do you mean by a tie and what is a bow here. To the people who don't know what is a bow is, this is a material which actually it is obviously it is like a tie, but it is not a tie. Do you know in restaurants bearers will be wearing a ribbon here in the shape like this. They will be wearing something like this, and near their collar, this thing is called as bow. So, have you seen anybody wearing a bow and a tie at the same time? No, it's definitely not possible, because either you should wear a bow or a tie. In both these things, either we have to wear only one, and all the options except the option B, we have to wear both of the things. So this is the odd option here. So the option is option B, bow and a tie is the answer here. Let's move on to the 83rd question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 1 March 17 afternoon batch. Select the odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. It's the question. Option A, cheek. Option B, toe. Option C, ear. Option D, nostril. These are the options, and I think it's all of you people might have guessed already the answer. It is a very simple thing. If you look at the options, except the option 2, all the options, the body parts are there in the face. Cheek is there here, and ear and nostrils are present in the face except toe. Toe is in the lower part of the body. So toe is the odd word here. Option B, toe is the answer. Let's move on to the 84th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 1 March 17 afternoon batch. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The alternatives are destined is to inertia, implies bison is to what? Is the question here. So if you look out the options, option A sonnets, option B sonar, option C cosine, option D brain. If you have attended the previous classes of this solving questions of SSC JEE, obviously most of you people might have guessed it wrong or guessed it right, and this question is a easy question. You have to know two logics to solve this question, because generally two of the options are very related to each other. Option A is sonnets and option B sonar are related to each other. Why they are related to each other? Because the first logic here is destined is to inertia, implies bison is to what is the question, and here the logic is last 3 letters of the first word is equal to first 3 letters of the next word. That's the logic here. And if you search for the same logic, bison, the last 3 letters, there are 2 options only. The other options, cosine and brain, are not in the logic of this one. So most people know that the answer option is B only. Who have attended my classes, you can easily say B is the answer option, and the people who didn't attend, I will explain why A is not the answer. It's the overall logic. We call it as overall logic. The number of letters here is 7 is to 7. In the same way, the number of letters here is 5. So you must get is to 5. So if you consider here, sonars have 7 number of letters, but sonar only have 5 number of alphabets. So this is the right answer. Sonar is the wrong answer. Okay guys, did you understand this question? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 85. Select the related word or letter or number from the given alternatives. This question is asked in SSC 1 March 2017 afternoon session. The alternatives are grace is to career, implies sitar is to what? Option A, saris. Option B, artist. Option C, stair. Option D, star. These are the options here. And if you look at this, it's another easy logic. The number of letters for grace is 5 is to career, the number of letters is 6, implies the number of letters for sitar is 5. So here what is the number of letters must come? And obviously you are right, the number of letters must come here is 6. So in the option options, you have to search in a way that the number of letters of the option must contain 6 is the answer. So considering the logic, the number of letters 6 is having by artist. Artist is the answer. Option B, artist. I will read the next question. Question number 86. Select the related word or letters or numbers from the given alternatives. This question is asked in 1st March 2017 afternoon batch. Allot is to allot, implies already is to already. P is to see, then is to then, peace is to peace. I will write down these options. This is a little bit different question, and we have been solving same questions again and again, and here is a question which comes with a different logic. So we can see this. This question is question number 86. The series asked here is allot is to allot, implies question mark. Answer options are already is to already, P is to C, Dan is to then, peace is to peace. Can you guess the logic, guys? It's actually very simple. The logic here is allot. Allot is a separate word. If you separate this word into A plus lot, the alphabet L is missing here. Okay, this is the logic here, and if you look at the options, you have to look in a way that in the same way L must miss in an option, and this is the option which it is going to miss because it is already here. If you combine this option, you will get a L missing, so already. So that's the simple logic here, or a different logic which we didn't see in previous questions. So the option is option A is the answer. Question number 87. Select the related word or letters or numbers from the given alternatives. This question is asked in SSC JE 1 March 17 afternoon session. Ball is to sun, implies cigarette is to ash. Options are pipe, smoke, white, fire. So this is also a descriptive type of verbal analogy. You have to find the relation between ball and sun initially, because if you didn't find the relation between ball and sun and searching for cigarette relation, you can get that cigarette as a smoke also, because from cigarette you are getting smoke, from cigarette you are getting fire. cigarette is in the shape of a pipe. So everything, you may think everything is a correct answer. You have to initially find the logic between first and second pair. So ball is to sun. What is the shape of a sun? Is generally think of it. The shape of a sun will be similar to shape of a ball. Consider the circle around. Are they same? Yeah. In the same way, you have to check the shape of a cigarette and a pipe. Cigarette and a pipe will be in same shape. So the logic here is shape. Shape is the logic. If you can find this logic, you can answer it clearly. So the logic is shape. The correct answer is A. Let's move on to the 88th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in the year 1 March 2017 afternoon batch. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. This is the question. This question is asked in SSC JEE 1 March 2017 afternoon. I said earlier. Quarter is to off. Single is to what? Is the question. Options are multiple, double, set, group. Okay guys, this is a different question, but it's obviously an easy question. 50 to 60% of you people might have already solved this question very easily. I'm just teaching it again for the people who can't able to solve or missing the logic. Quarter is to off. Implies single is to what is the question? Answer options are A multiple, B double, C set and D group. If you think this option just in a basic way, not going to a very advanced way, you can get it easily. But if you go for a very advanced way, it's difficult for you to get the answer. Just think in a basic way. Half is to quarter. What is half? 1 by 4 is considered as half, and quarter 1 by 2. And here single 1 is to what they have asked. So what will be the answer? 1 is to, here it is doubled. So here also it will double. So 2 will be the answer, and the double is the answer. Most people can think that we can get a single is to group also, but group is more number of people. Okay, group means it can be 3 people also, it may be 4 people also, but in double it is only 2 people. So the answer option must only double, not go for triple or 4 times. So that's the option. Option B double is the answer. Let's move on to the 89th question of SSC JEE. Which of the following words follows the trend of the given list? Reconquer, tranquil, unique, tiquilla, squish. And the answer options are hue, flake, click, aqua. These are the options, and this is a simple logic which we have solved lots and lots of questions here in SSC JEE, and this one follows the same logic. Try to guess it, and now I'm going to reveal the answer. The answer is option A, Q. I am setting on the answer. Have you guessed the logic? Yeah, obviously you have got it right. The logic is the alphabet Q in conquer, reconquer, starting from reconquer, it is going to a position left, one position left. So in a squish, the Q is in second position. You have to find the answer in such a way Q is in first position. So that's the answer. Q is the answer. You will not only get like changing alphabets to the one position or one position only. You must not think like that. It may come like 2 position also. It may come like 3 position also. You have to be ready for each and everything. That's it. Question number 90. This question is asked in SSE JE 1 March 2017 4-month session. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. It's the question. This type of questions is very repeating in SSJE. If you don't know nothing also in the paper, then clearly answer these questions. But you have to read, because clearing these questions alone you can't get a good mark. So let's go to the question again. The alternative series is ago, wheel, choke, decree. Options are Bristol's, deviance, ordain. Option D, ensures. What is the answer here? And without taking it a long time, I'm saying the answer. The answer is option D. What's the reason? What's the logic? When each and every word is increasing, the number of words is increasing. That's it. It's very simple. So, starting from ago, it has 3 alphabets. Decree has 6 alphabets. So, you have to select the option in such a way. The alphabets are 7 in number. That's it. Let us move on to the 91st question of SSE JE. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is as follows. Hello, lofty, tire, repair. What is the logic here? The answer options are option A, tonic, option B, ironic, option C, panic, option D, repair. Again guys, the same logic which we have solving for many number of questions here. The simple logic, that is the last 2 alphabets of the first word equal to first 2 alphabets of the next word. So considering the final word repair as last 2 alphabets as IR, so you must select the option in such a way that the option has IR in its starting. So ironic only has IR in its starting. So it's option B, ironic. Let's move on to the 92nd question of SSE JE. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. This is also the same question. Educative, probable, energy, Friday. Options are male, rooted, guilt, beer. What's the answer here? Answer is guilt. And the simple logic is, for each and every word, the number of alphabets is reducing. You just think guys, in each and every question you are solving, that question is only dependent on number of alphabets. You are getting number of alphabets question, you are getting position of alphabet question. Consider this too. The number of alphabets is either increasing or decreasing. You are getting in only this manner. And thinking about the position of alphabets, the last 2 alphabets are involving, or last 3 alphabets are involving. So these are the questions repeated continuously in each and every SSE JE paper. You must be careful with this question. We will go to the next question. Question number 93. Select the odd word or letter or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. So you have to find the odd word. The first option is gender. Option 2, agenda. Option 3, spender. Option D, amender. So what's the logic here? Many people might have guessed it easily, and again I am solving it for people who didn't guess it easily. Generally guys, First think, can you get the meaning of each and every word? If you can't get that, try for a different logic. So you can easily complete the question and go. Gender. Option B, agenda. Option C, spender. Option D, amender. The simple logic between here is ender. The suffix ender in each and every option except the option B. Here it is not coming with ender, it is coming with enda. So this is the answer, and these are the common things, and this is the odd option here. Let's move on to the 94th question of SSC JEE. Select the odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A, television and fan. Option B, computer and tube light. Option C, bed and cupboard. Option D, fan and tube light. Can you guess the logic, guys? It's pretty simple. If while reading itself you can say which is the answer. And I'm saying the answer, at least after I'm saying the answer, try to guess the logic. The answer is option C, bed and cupboard. We have initially seen a question like this about the type of material it is made up of. It is also similar to this, but the logic here is, I'm revealing the logic, except the thing bed and cupboard, all the things are working under electricity. Consider television and fan, computer and tube light, fan and tube light, all are working under electricity, but bed and cupboard is alone the furniture. So it's the odd answer. Let's move on to the 95th question of SSC JEE. Select the odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A, dead or alive. Option B, life or death. Option C, body and soul. Option D, living or non-living. What's the answer option, guys? You can get it easily if you think of a different logic, not following this these things. Not following this alphabets or number of alphabets things. This one is all about opposite things. That's the logic here. And I will say how dead and alive, they are opposite to each other. Life or death, they are also obviously opposite to each other. Living or non-living, they are also opposite to each other. And you can easily guess it here itself. In each option, they are given or. But in third option alone, you can note that body and soul, they are given and here. Think the reason why they have given and. And means, you will say, for example, pen and paper. Okay, why you are saying pen and paper? You are using it for writing, you are using it for taking notes. But think of pen or paper, you are using either of the thing, any one of the thing. So that's the reason it is coming with or. Comparing the other options, the thing body and soul is coming with the word and. Why? Because those are the meanings of each other. The other things are the opposites of each other. So that's the logic. Body and soul are not the different things, they are the same thing. So it's the logic. Question number 96. This question is asked in the year 1 March 2017 4-round session. Let me read out the question first. Select the odd word or letter or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. The first option is cycle. The second option is motorcycle. Third option is car, and fourth option is scooter, and fourth option is car. Obviously, most of you people might have guessed the answer is car, and the logic here is yes, you are right. Car is a four-wheeler. The other options mentioned in this question are two-wheelers. So that's the thing. It's very easy, guys. You can solve it easily. You have to just get the logic and use your English to get this answer. So let's move on to the 97th question of SSC. This question is asked in 1 March 17 afternoon session. Let me read out the question first. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The alternatives are government is to methane, implies tomato is to what is the question? The same logic which I have initially said, the position of alphabet logic, the last 3 letters of the first word is equal to first 3 letters of the next word. That's the logic here. So obviously government is ending with MET, so methane is starting with MET. The same way tomato is ending with ATO, and atomic is the only word, not the only word. In the same way, there are 3 words starting with ATO. Atomize, atoll, atomic. So you have to select the word atomic because it has 6 number of letters and tomato has 6 number of letters. You can't guess like 3 options are starting with ATO, only the 4th option potato is ending with ATO. So potato must be the odd word. You must not think like that because this question is not the odd word. This question is the verbal analogy question. Okay, that's the reason. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 98. This question is asked in SSC JE 1 March 17 forenoon session. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives is the question. Cause is to cease, implies poise is to what is the question, and the options are pipes, poppies, possess, 4th one sips. The answer option is A. What's the reason? Why is the answer? If you ask me, and obviously it's following the same old relation, the number of letters. 5 is to 5 implies 5 is to, obviously what must be the number here? 5. So we must select the option in such a way that it has 5 number of alphabets, and the only word with 5 number of alphabets is pipes. So option A is the answer. Let's move on to the 99th question. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. Buy is to buy, implies what is the answer? Break is to break, pen is to pencil, coffee is to toffee, thorn is to horn. Here and can you guys guess the logic here? This is we have solved here about 98 question, but this question 99th question has a different logic. I guess guys only few people might have found it correctly, and most people might have thinking in the same old thing I am doing here, but this is not the old thing, and this case is a new thing. Note it guys. This is a new option, new logic we are going to see now. The question here, buy is to buy, implies question, this is the question. Option A, break is to break. Option B, pen is to pencil. Option C, coffee is to toffee. Option D, thorn is to horn. And the people who have watched all videos might think that the same old ratio thing, which means 3 is to 3 equal to, this is the only word having 5 is to 5. So this must be the answer. I will select this one. They will think. But I am saying it, this is the wrong thing. You must not go in a single way. You have to think different ways. Okay, this you must apply this logic when you can't find which is the answer only, because there are chances for getting this answer also. But other than this, there is another closest thing. You have to note and you can find it easily. And I will say the answer option first, and you try to guess the logic. Okay, answer option is option A. Why A is the answer? Can anybody say it? I will say how. See this word buy and buy, break and break. Is there any relation between these two pair and these two pair? Obviously there is relation. I am saying the relation is homophones. Most of you people might have heard this word, but I have forgotten this. We will touch this very shortly. What is a homophone? Homophone means which has same pronunciation. Pronunciation is same, but the spelling of the word and meaning of the word is different. That is what happened in this case. So buy and buy. See the pronunciation. Buy. It's obviously the same. Break and break. This is also the same pronunciation, but the meaning of these two things and the spelling of the two things differs. So homophone is the clue and relation between these two. Think of pen and pencil, coffee and toffee, thorn and horn. No, there is a difference in the pronunciation. So these are the wrong option, and break is the right option. Let us move on to the 100th question. We have touched 100 guys, century. 100th question. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. Oasis is to water, implies island is to dash is the question. This is also a different question. This is a same like a descriptive type of question. At the same time, you have to know the meaning of the word. Then only you can solve this question. Otherwise, you keep on thinking the same old ratio logic and number of letters, position of alphabets logic. This is a different logic which contains meaning of the word. You must know the meaning of the word and description of the word. Oasis is to water. Implies island is to dash. Option A, land. Option B, sea. Option C is shore. Option D, dry. Generally, to know the meaning of the word, what is generally oasis, guys? Can anybody say what is oasis? Oasis is a place where in desert water will be found. So, place where water found in desert. In desert water found, it is called oasis. What is an island? Island is a place, everybody know what is an island. Island is a place where land will be found in a sea or an ocean or a beach somewhere. So, when water found in desert, it is called oasis. When land found in beach, it is called island. So, what's the relation? Here, the desert, the water is covered by 4 sides desert. Here, the land is covered by 4 sides water. So, obviously, you have to select the word land. Can you understand the logic, or you can rewind the video and watch it again? You will obviously find it easy to understand the logic. And so the answer is option A, land.